This is Weatherman Todd reporting from downtown Melrose in the midst of Hurricane Irene. Well, as you can see, hurricane forces came through. You can see a twig over there. Look. This is dangerous. Look at that flooding water. Flood, major floods. And look at this. The best way to be healthy and stay happy. And where's the movies? Where's the movies? This is how we're gonna brace for the storm. Show the movies. Tell them, what movie did you get? What movie did you get? We got Sherlock Holmes. Make a good video of Sherlock Holmes. Yes. And then we got another movie, which we put upside down, inside out. We don't know the name of this movie. Is it gonna be good?